Social and Community Enterprise Forum with a theme towards making Pasig City a model city for social and community enterprise development.
Naasahan po namin na marami kayong matututunan. I hope lahat po kayo ay na-inspired na. No? Tandaan po natin, we are the actors and actresses. And we are being called to respond towards poverty reduction. Na entrepreneur, hindi lang negosyante, pero instrument of change. Instrument of reducing poverty and have an equal right in society. Pangarap, yung ating sinimulan at patuloy po tayong pangarap at maging resourceful po tayo sa pagpapalaganap ng ating kapatid. We must join our hands to pursue the present coalition and towards the trust and making this as a law, making this a government ordinance in Pasig para mas matibay yung pundasyon.
Yung mga paghihirap na maging bahagi at magkaroon ng capacity na sumama sa social enterprise.